Welcome back everyone. This is a quick part 2 of the last videos of my top LinkedIn profiles. And this video, it's going to be a quick run through of why you should at least consider learning Python basics from Paul Zhao. So here's my friend Paul Zhao. I'll put the link in the description below. Paul Zhao, he's got great Amazon certificates. He is a DevOps engineer. And if you go under his activity, he has a Medium profile where he did a 100 days of Python. I believe it's under posts. So these are just some other articles that Paul has been working on. Great for people getting into DevOps. Let me scroll down. So here it is. So he's working through 100 Python projects in 100 days. This is an amazing tutorial guide to get your feet dirty with Python. You know, every single guide has step-by-steps, like, you know, install Python. It's walking you through like you've never seen Python in your life before, and it's great because he has so many of them. You know, he's doing them every single day, and he's doing the 100 days. So if you do the 100 days with him, guaranteed you'll be good with Python in 100 days. So I hope that I've convinced you, and I hope I've convinced you to go check out some of his other guides, because he has some great articles on Ansible, on GitHub, you know, Amazon, cloud computing, Terraform, CloudFormation, and all the great cloud tools. So hope to see you guys on Paul's channel, working along with me, who is also trying to work and learn Python. Thank you so much for watching again. See you guys in the next video.